Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to share a Dollar Tree haul. I got some house items, some fun finds as well. So let's just jump right in. Two of these Scotties everyday tissues. These are the 120 count boxes. I got this design and then just this blue one here. I got a aluminum foil, the 40 square foot one. And we got a broom handle, not shown here, but we did pick up a broom handle and this broom head. That one. And then I've been wanting to grab some of these disposable gloves for a long time. I don't like touching meat. Finally found them in the store, and they're from Scrub Buddies. You get 100 in here, and they're disposable gloves. That's all, and they're food safe. And you can't beat 100 of those for $1.25. Still along with the household items, I just wanted to change angles real quick. I did get one of these candle lighters because I have a few jar candles that are getting really hard to get in with a match. So I wanted one of these lighters. I also got the Value RX stomach relief. And this is there, compared to Pepto-Bismol. And it does a number of things. You get 8 of these, which is technically only 4 doses, but I have tried the liquid form of this and it does work good. So, but those are soft gels. And then I got 2 of the Women's Daily with Iron. These are like a daily vitamin supplement kind of thing. 30 tablets, and they have the iron. And I noticed a difference when I started taking these. My tiredness and fatigue, because sometimes my iron does get low. So I'm liking these, and I repurchased these about 4 times now. And then I also needed a new notebook or tablet to write in, writing reviews, making lists, brainstorming kind of stuff on. Nothing special really, but just some tablets or a notebook. And I got the 3-pack of legal pads, and these are 3 30-sheet pads. They're just white lined paper in the style. So I got these this time instead of the spiral bound notebook. Moving into the makeup finds. This I have owned in the past. Maybe a different version, slightly different version of this. I believe this has probably been reformulated, and I wanted to give it a try again. And this is the LaColors 12 color eyeshadow little palette, and this is in Vogue. This palette used to be called Traditional, I believe. I could be wrong, but this is very comparable to the Naked palette from Urban Decay. Give me this little neutral palette and give it a go again. And I really like that it has dark mattes, transitional mattes, or crease color mattes. It has shimmery shades for your lid or inner corner. It's really, really nice. I love it. So I picked that up, and still going to do the full face of Dollar Tree if it isn't already up. So stay tuned and be on the lookout for that. I did get 2 nail polishes today. One from Candy Moyo. I love this brand. This is number 966. And this is a burnt orange shade with golden shimmer. It's really beautiful. It's going to be really perfect for the fall as well. I got one from Color Vibe, and it is called Lilac Love. And it's a really beautiful pastel purple shade. Can never go wrong with some pretty purples. Absolutely stunning polish. My most favorite finds of the day are some body sprays and a body butter. So I finally found, I did pick up the floral mist from the Power Stick brand, and today I found the other two. So today, these are 3.5 ounces, and they are body sprays from Power Stick. And today I found Brazilian Mist, and these smell like a very tropical scent. Love it. They smell so good. So Brazilian Mist, and then I also found Paradise Breeze today. So I have found all three of the scents that I know of: Paradise Breeze, Brazilian Mist, and the Floral Mist. They smell so good. And then the body butter I found today is from Spa Luxury, and it is in Peach Berry, which I love peach scents. I'm not crazy about berry scents, but I smelled this and it smells so good. It looks to be thick and creamy. Yeah, it's not moving in there really. So it is thick. And I can't wait to give this a go after a shower. I have used a little bit of it on my hands. Really nice and moisturizing. The scent is so nice. So this is the only scent that I found in my store. But I am glad that I at least found this because it smells so good. And that is all the items that I found at Dollar Tree today. Hope you enjoyed the haul. If you want to see any reviews or thoughts, questions, comments on any of the items that is shown in the haul, leave them in the comment section below. As always, don't forget to check the description box as well as the cards for additional Dollar Tree links. I thank you guys so very much for watching, and stay tuned for makeup tutorials, other Dollar Tree related content. Thank you so much for watching.